Mm, yeah. Mm, yeah. Boy, you know you make me float, float, boy, you really give me high. Ooh, I feel like I'm on dope, dope, 'cause you set me on a second. Fruity whiskey, utanotice na color no, it's not haina a deep golden color kama hii. And you can even see the bottles. So you know what I'm talking about. So if you observe this side, the golden color is a bit darker. Then the next thing you want to do is observe the legs of the whiskey. So swirl the glass around, observe the legs. What I mean by the legs is when you stop, utanotice kuko na some lines zinashuka chini, and it almost looks like a teardrop, oily, because of being matured. So if you're ever given a whiskey, you're told it is aged, but ukiswala ina legs, hiyo whiskey imekuwa food coloring. Go ahead and nose, Kraganmore. Okay, I'd like us to meet Kraganmore in a special way. Tutasema hello. Sawa? Aya, are you ready? 3, 2, 1, say hello.
Hello.
Go ahead and sit on Kraganmore and let it sit on your palate for 3 to 5 seconds. Can you taste any difference with the first one?
Yeah,
What's the difference?
it has a flavor.
It has a flavor.
Good morning, guys. Niko Ridges Mall. I'm at Ridges Mall. I had a work meeting earlier today. Yeah, so I'm going to the bank to open an account. And then it's my off day. So we had a whiskey training. You guys will be able to see a part of the ninis, okay? So acha ninge bank, I'll vlog for you when I'm at the bank. Naona kama nitakatazwa kufilm. Sawa. You guys will talk. Good day. I ended up staying so much longer than I had expected. So it's around almost some few minutes to 1. You know, I'm unable to talk and people are watching me. It's a few minutes to 1. And like I've been struck by those childhood memories. The last time I was here, I had come with my dad to nilikuwa nimetoka kwa dentist, and then now I've started feeling emotional. Yeah, we had come to get a toothbrush because the dentist had recommended one nibaiwe like a new toothbrush. So that's the last time I was here, na nilikuwa sijui class 4. No, nilikuwa class 6. Yeah, and I've started feeling a little bit emotional. So I'm standing somewhere, but this place is so cool. What else did I want to say? I want to go eat. I'm so hungry. And then I'll get back to you. Yeah, so thank you for watching my vlogs. This is a new day. Have a good day. So, hi guys, it's still the same day. I'm watching YouTube. It's still the same day. I went for the meeting, went, opened the bank account, came back home, ate, chilled, and now I'm eating a cinnamon roll. Let me show you. I got myself, but Sasa, I cannot feel your. No, you see my eye. I cannot feel your nini. Najua inakaa vibaya. I cannot feel the cinnamon flavor, so I had to tore it. As in sikuirarua. What is it called? Like you guys understand? Sindo nione. Sasa aina it doesn't have that much flavor inside. I think it's fake. My phone is falling. Yes, I've been chilling, watching. Good morning, guys. I'm just realizing this is the same position I was in last time. So it's a morning, it's a Thursday morning. I'm on my off day. I'm taking my breakfast. Let me show you what I'm having for breakfast today. It's so yummy. It's gonna slap. Our kids are outside. Sijua amepatiwa kazi gani. Yeah, so guys, you've just woken up. And this is how I wake up every day. This is my skin in the morning. My eyes. I know. So I'm just having my break first. Chanua, let me revert the camera and muone vizuri. So today I have like so many errands to do. I need to do my nails, my feet at different places. I want to go to town and get something. I want to do what else? You guys will be able to see, right? Yeah, so have a good day. Me, after having my breakfast, this is where I ended up back on my bed. Okay, you guys, let me tell you. See, I had a protein allergy. You see this and this are because of the allergy guy. And then my skin was giving. Anyway, it's not that bad. I'm here with my G, my guy, my real nigger, or whatever. He has really bad eyes. Yo. The first time, like, I got this kidoli. Guy, see, I saw him looking at me. Nilikuwa nimeiweka pale. I don't sleep with it at night until like recently nikianza kusikia uoga. So I started let it sleep here. I used to put it on the chair. That's how one day, and then now like I cannot sleep when it's totally dark. So wanawasha, like when my phone is charging, huwa inawaka. So there's like a certain light that lights the whole room. Sasa nikaamka siku moja, I was going to the washroom at night, and is it like the toilet in your house, is it called a washroom? Someone told me that it's not a washroom. I'm not sure about that. Like, I'll just find out and I'll let you guys. Like, the toilet inside your house is not washroom, is bathroom. I don't know how, like, I don't know if it makes sense or not, but yeah. Yeah, so nikapata kikiniangalia. I was so shocked. Nilishtuka. Nikawasha stima. Okay, this thing is nimeishonurania. Anyways, let me rest a little bit. Niamke niende nioshe vyombo. Then go do the rest of my errands. Go do my nails. Go do my hair. And I'm not doing my hair. I'm lying. Go do my feet and my legs and go to town and run a few errands over there. Okay, so I love you, babes. See you later. Bye. I hope you're enjoying my content. I hope you're not watching and you have not subscribed. Please, please. Someone is texting me. Please don't watch my videos if you've not liked and subscribed. Please don't. Please. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you for subscribing. And thank you, Beta guys. We are on our road to 500 subscribers. Are you guys not excited for that? Because I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Yeah. Just hebu kuja nifungia hapa. Yeah. We're like almost there, guys. We're moving. And you know what? I'm here for it all. I'm here to see. Yeah, okay, bye. I'm talking too much. Bye. So hi guys. I want to make lunch for my small brother and my niece because it's my off day before I go do my nails. Yeah, so let's do this together. I'm making rice beef, the mixed one. Ile ya kumix rice beef. Yeah. And I want to do it quickly so that I can wash my hair and go blow dry and still get my nails done on the same day. Nanyi mtoke hapo. Nani wako? Hebu nipunguzie hapo gas. Tukupunguzie? Do this when your sink is clean, washed and clean, right? Justo, enda unieke hii shampoo iko kwa kachupa kwa nini? Kwa bafu hapo. Ushata sabuni.
Unasema ati sink is clean, unasema tumeosha vibaya.
Si clean. Lakini mmejaribu.
Situko hata usituko.
So my nyanya is ready. Waru is in indoma, like a few, and my rice is clean. So can we do this? Can we do? How many of us pima maji ya mchele na nini? Na macho.
Let me do it with my own eyes.
Yeah, so add a little bit of salt to taste. Add some salt to taste. Not yet. Pilau masala, you see, just a little bit of it for flavor. That's enough. So nilikuwa nimebakisha some broth here, so that's what I'm gonna use as my soup for this food.
Long as you got your eyes, got your drippy on them private jets, taking trips. Come back at 6, wake me and your child, and then won't lay today. Make me wonder who you might have been playing with. Makes me wonder who you think you're playing with. I'm just telling myself to keep playing this record back and forth.
So hi guys, I'm just coming back home and it's dark because I don't have a ring light. Also, like I'm planning to do once I got my nails done. You guys can see it's cute. Ooh, it's cute. And there is these two things. Honestly, I'm happy with how it turned out. Also did my feet, but ni juu simu yangu haina charge, so I can't like really show you. Ignore that. Let me close so that you cannot see so much. Yeah, I've really been feeling cute with my hair. I actually need a ring light because for me to film better videos, right? Okay, so I will talk. I cooked. Remember, I cooked nikienda. So I'm not cooking. I'll just like wash my feet, change into pajamas because I just got out of the house. Change into pajamas and chill and watch some YouTube videos. Yeah, and this is also where I'm going to close off the vlogs. Thank you so much for watching my content. Right now we are at 430 subscribers, for 430 subscribers. We manifest for better and more. Please, let's get to 500. I'm really like excited to get that card notification, like, and you rich again, you got yourself 500 subscribers and you can feel a jumbo jet. Oh, I'm here to see it. Oh my god, I'm here to see it. I'm really excited. Yeah, I'll just chill and wait for tomorrow and go and work. And you guys help me pray. I'm really hoping to get my hair is so strong, right? Pray for me guys, the buy ring light, because this lighting is not acceptable. It's not. Yeah, pray for me. I'll get a ring light. Inshallah. The one I had wasn't mine. Look at Bishtango and I returned it. I need mine, okay? Thank you. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Kindly subscribe and join the family. Until next time, bye.
Think you know your girl's so funny to me. I know you think I left by one or two times. Got tired of your shit, you almost lost your mind.